Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can generate AI video in Pippit AI. So if you guys ready to turn your text into mind-blowing cinematic clips, so the Pippit AI is officially changing the game. So you don't need to be a professional animator to create professional results. So I'm going to show you exactly how you can prompt and also render your first AI generated video in just a few clicks. So first you just need to log into Pippit. You can here open this Pippit.ai, and if you want to join Pippit AI, you can click on the link down below. So I'm going to put it on my description box and also the pen comment. You can just click on that, and once you in the home page, you just need to sign up. And now to create AI video, you can just click on the video tab in here. In the prompt box, you can just write the video or the idea that you got. So for example, I'm going to create a cinematic drone shot of a futuristic neon city in the rain, like this. And here you can adjust the ratio if you want to, but I'm going to just go with the default, and you can just hit on the arrow, click on confirm. Okay, now you can just wait until the results came out. So it will be done within a few minutes, I think. It depends also on your internet connection, so you can just wait until the result is out. So guys, that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. If you want to join Pippit, as I stated before, just click on the link down below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also click on the thanks. Bye.